All right, good morning, guys. I'm Ryan here from Brazen Roofing. I got sent out to Mr. Peterson's residence to, I guess, evaluate the damage on the roof and see if we can do this job according to the approved scope of work. There are multiple damaged shingles by the wind on multiple different slopes. There's about 8 that I kind of glanced over and found on this slope right here. There's a couple more on this. This is the left here. The right slope here, there's a couple more. There's some more across the roof. So the scope of work doesn't specify which slopes they're on or pay for individual shingle repairs. It pays for, I think it was 1/3 of a square. But I'm going to be simulating a repair on this shingle here. You can see it's damaged clearly, okay? I'm going to simulate taking this shingle out and then nailing in a new shingle. So I'll get right to it. And I just want to see if performing this repair is going to be doable without causing further damage. So I am putting my hand on the shingle to prevent it from raising any more than it actually absolutely has to. This shingle starts here, okay? 3 tabs. This is the shingle that we're going to be taking out. So in order to do that, I have to remove the nails on this line here and this line here. I'm going to remove this shingle, put them back in, and see what that does to the shingles surrounding the one I'm taking out, okay? I have to break this bond. I'm going to be as careful as I possibly can to prevent causing any further damage. Okay, and these shingles are pretty old and pretty brittle, so I'm anticipating that it's not gonna pass, it's gonna fail, but I do want to make sure. So, all right, so we got everything unsealed. This is already unsealed. Okay, actually came out pretty easy. So now I have to take out the nails. And again, if this is repairable, then I have no problem doing a repair. I'm not a contractor, and we are not a company that believes that no roof is repairable. I probably do a handful of roofs on repairs every week. And if it's doable, I will do it. It's no problem. But I do want to make sure this homeowner is being taken care of. And the repair can and will be done without causing further damage. So now keep in mind, when I'm lifting these shingles, I'm lifting it only as much as I absolutely have to, no more than about 10-15 degrees. I've said it again, but I've said it before, but again, I am definitely not trying to cause any further damage at all. See if that works. Okay. Now, see if this will come out nice and clean. It does. Okay. Now, just to simulate the repair, I'm going to slide this one back in. Okay, now you can already see multiple spots on basically every one that I've touched. Okay, I'll show you. Again, you can see how delicate I was being. I was not causing any further damage if I could avoid it, but you can see this crease here, crease here, crease here. Okay, that one's, you can see where that's starting to crease right here. And right there, you can see that too, starting to form right there. Okay, I want to keep on going just for the sake of showing you guys what the full repair looks like and makes. Now to nail these nails back in, I have to do so at a 90-degree angle per manufacturer specifications so that it properly holds the shingle in place. So again, you can see how much I'm lifting the shingle, no more than I absolutely have to. Okay. Now you could see the amount of creasing that came from me just taking that shingle out. Okay, I'm gonna get some of these loose granules out of here. Again, I'm just flicking it. I'm not causing it to crease at all. You can clearly see that. But some of these granules will get stuck in the crease. So I want you to be able to see actually what's happened. Okay. So this right here is the shingle that we are simulating the repair on, okay? You can see it from here. Sorry, get my hand out of there. It's crease here, crease here, crease here, crease there. And there's a pretty defined crease here. Sorry, here. You can see that right there. So now, and removing and replacing this shingle here. Let's see, where do these split up? Right here. So shingle 1 is already damaged. That's the shingle in question. 2 is creased and damaged. 3 is creased and damaged. And 4, 2 goes this way, 3 goes that way, and 4 runs right above the shingle we're taking out. So now, in repairing this shingle number 1, we have now damaged 3 more shingles in order to perform the repair, okay? There were plenty of others. Here's one that shows the condition of the shingles. This one's already ripped, okay? Just showing you condition. Now also, situation on the roof, it's all connected by hips right here and valleys all the way around, okay? Manufacturer specifications dictate that the underlayment has to go over 6 inches on this side and 6 inches on this side. So now I have to manipulate coming from this slope. I have to manipulate shingles coming over here. Now these are going to be damaged by performing repairs on these shingles, and it's going to go all the way over that way to that hip. This valley, same thing, has to overlap going into this slope. I'm going to start damaging shingles there, performing any repairs. On this slope, it's going to come around to the hip, all over this hip. This slope is going to get damaged. Okay, and then another hip to the back, and then we're back where we started. Okay, so in performing this repair, essentially what I'm going to do is have to send you guys a supplement for each repair that I do, adding in 2 or 3 more shingles for each repair, and then I'm going to have to do it again and again and again until basically we end up repairing the entire roof all the way around. So in light of that, we are requesting a full roof replacement for this. The condition of the shingle of this roof is just too brittle and too it's just too old. It's too brittle to repair. Performing any repair is going to cause further damage. So I'll send this in to you guys with some measurements and our supplement estimate, and I am available if you guys have any questions or need anything further. I'm happy to help, but this repair is officially failed. Okay. I appreciate your time, guys. Have a great day.